Some animals can detect danger before it happens, like living warning systems. And if you'd stop what you're doing to help a tiny animal stuck on a hot sidewalk, like and subscribe. Number 1. Sharks can sense tiny electrical signals from other animals, basically finding prey even when it's hidden. Number 2. Pit vipers can detect heat with special heat-sensing pits, like natural thermal vision. Number 3. Elephants can feel low-frequency vibrations through the ground, detecting distant movement and threats. Which one is the craziest sensor? 1, 2, or 3? Comment below.